So, good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Today we're gonna learn about latitude and longitude. Remember that I taught you last week how to find the location on the globe, right? Okay. So today we're gonna continue to learn on that, and just to go over with some definitions about latitude, right? Which latitude goes over the location based on north and south, right? We know that from the top it's north, and from the bottom it's south. Okay. Now for longitude, we're measuring west and east, right? From left to right. Okay. So I'm gonna let you get your materials. You can go ahead and stand up and get all your materials that you need, please. You will also need your Chromebook, and you will need a globe. Just to make sure, lines of latitude on a map or globe are called parallels, okay? Because they are all parallel to each other, parallel, so they never cross, okay? Latitude ranges from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees north latitude at the North Pole, and 90 degrees south latitude at the South Pole. Lines of latitude are known as meridians. The meridians are farthest apart at the equator and converge at the poles. Okay. The starting point for measuring longitude is the prime meridian, which runs through the Royal Observatory of Greenwich, England, just outside the center of London. Okay. Locations east of the prime meridian are described in degrees, east latitude, and location west of the prime meridian in degrees, west longitude. Longitude ranges from 0 degrees at the prime meridian to 180 degrees on the opposite side of the earth from the prime meridian. Okay. So yes. So we know that longitude measures from east to west, and it will have a range from 0 to 180 degrees, right? So you can't have a longitude of like more than 180, like 190 or 200 degrees, because it's impossible. Okay. So you have your globe, and I'm gonna give you your worksheets. Today we're gonna be working on 2 worksheets. Okay. The first one is pretty simple. You're gonna use your globe, and the first part has cities on them. Okay. And you're gonna have to look for the latitude and the longitude. Okay. And the second part has latitude and longitude to start with, so it already has the coordinates, and you're gonna look for the city. Okay. You're gonna use only your globe. You can't cheat on the computer. Okay. So make sure you're doing that correct. So here's the first worksheet. The second worksheet, it's a little bit more, I guess, fun, you could say, in a way. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna find a place. Every student has a different coordinates, so that means a different place, and you're gonna explore the place that you get from this coordinates. Okay. And you're gonna complete A through F. Please make sure that you are creative. Okay, so you can use different colors, anything that you want to write in different colors, and here you're gonna sketch at the end. Okay.
Okay.
And pretty much that's it. And please make sure to put your name and your date, so don't forget that. And okay, so you're all set to work. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm here to help you. Just to go over with you guys about the assignment, I'm gonna help you out with number 1 and number 6. Okay, so you could get the hang of how to do the assignment. Okay. Yes. So we can see that number one is I have my own set of worksheets right here. So number 1 is Stockholm, Sweden. Okay.
Yes.
And we know that Sweden it's on the north. So let's look for Sweden.
Okay.
Sweden it's right on the top over here. Almost at the top. So we know that the last line is 70 degrees. So that makes it, since it's a down one, it's 60 degrees, right? So it's at 60 degrees latitude,
Yes.
right? Because latitude measures north and south, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's look for the longitude. If we see the 0 degree over here,
Yes.
and we look closely to where Stockholm, Sweden is, it's one back of it, so it's in between 0 degrees and 10 degrees.
Yes.
So that means, but it's more close to the 0 degrees. So we could probably estimate about, could say about 2 degrees.
Okay.
I'm sorry, it's closer to the 10 degrees because it's past the 10 degree line in between the 20th degree, but it's closer to the 10, really close to the 10. So yes, it's probably like 11 or 12-ish. So we could put latitude will be, of course, 70, and longitude will be approximately 12 degrees. So you could
Yes.
write that down. Okay.
Yes.
So just write down for number 1, latitude that will be, we said 60 degrees, and for longitude that will be, we said 12 degrees. Okay. So you're all done? Okay. Now we're gonna do number 6.
Okay.
Number 6. Okay.
Okay.
So we have latitude 30 degrees north, and we have longitude 81 degrees west. Okay. So we know that north is in the top or in the bottom. In the top, right? North
Yes.
is in the top. So we have 30 degrees in the north. It's not going to be all the way in the top, right? It's going to be probably like in the middle, because we know that there's only 70 degrees. Okay. So let's see. It's 30 degrees north. So on the top it's 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. Okay. So it's going to be this line of latitude. Longitude west. So we know west is this side, right? So let's see. 81 west. It's 50, 40, 20. Probably best if we start with longitude since you don't have a lot of practice. So here's the 80 line of longitude. And we're looking for the 30th north. Okay, so this is 70, 60, 40. I'm sorry, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. So it's gonna be almost over here. So yes, it's Jacksonville.
Okay.
So you're gonna write Jacksonville. Jacksonville, Florida. Number 6. Okay. So I know this could be a little bit difficult, but remember that we went over this lesson a week ago, so you might have to refresh your mind, but it's okay. Well, if you have any questions, if you want help, please tell me. I'm here to help you, okay?
Yes.
So I'm gonna let you go and you can work on it.
So,
So remember, you have another assignment, so you might want to taste a little, but at the same time, take your time. And if you need help, tell me, okay?
yes.
I see that you're doing good. Are you okay?
Okay.
You doing good? Yes? Yes. Okay, so you finished. Let me see. You want me to check it? Okay. Very nice job. Everything looks pretty right. So, but don't forget to put your name.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So are you ready for assignment number 2? Okay.
Yes.
So I can help you out if you want to find the place. Okay. You have 10 degrees north and 67 west. 10 degrees north, 67 west.
Yes.
So, do you want me to help you out? Find it in the globe? Okay. So, north is on the top, right? We know that latitude goes from 0 to 90 degrees, but unfortunately, this globe only has 270, but the coordinates are still accurate. Okay, so we're gonna look for 10 degrees north. That's easy. It's a 10. Okay, so let's see where's our 0 degrees. Okay, we have 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. 10. Sorry. Okay. So 10 degrees north and 67 west is Caracas, Venezuela. So you can write down the place, Caracas, Venezuela.
Okay.
Yes. And now you're gonna use your Chromebook, okay, and continue with the assignment. If you need help, please let me know.